Hey guys, so in this video we are replacing the blinkers on the Tacoma's mirror caps, and they're gonna go from this to this in this video from a blinker replacement product by Taco Vinyl. Let's get into it. So the first step is to take a plastic pry tool, get kind of up under this part of your mirror, and you're gonna use the plastic pry tool coming all the way around and just kind of popping it up and pushing this out at the same time. This is probably the most difficult part, is trying to get this top off. It definitely sounds like you're breaking it, but it was a little bit hinged right here, so just taking the plastic pry tool again to right there to get it off. So to take out the old light right here, we're gonna go ahead and take this screw off right here. And now with that screw up out of the way, we're able to push this back a little bit easy, and you can see right here that there's a little nub that goes in right here to the plastic, so just be careful when you're pushing this portion out. Okay, now with this screw out, this whole part of your mirror may come off. It doesn't need to, but it really allows you to kind of maneuver this plastic piece a bit more. So we have that plastic piece maneuvered and just pulling up on this old one, and we are able to get the whole blinker out now, and you will see this connector here will pop off. So you may want to take this connector kind of out of this housing just to maneuver stuff around a little bit, but this connector right here is the one that you're going to unplug from the blinker. So now we'll take our replacement blinker, go ahead, plug it in to make sure it works, and it works with the hazards on. We'll position it back behind here, just kind of pushing it in ever so slightly. Remember to line up this hole on that one with that plastic nub piece that kind of went through. So with everything lined back up, go ahead and make sure all your wires are properly tucked in. Everything is lined up so the screws can go back in. I'll still put that screw in. But the biggest thing to take away is making sure that none of this felt right here is showing down here. So make sure that this is properly seated as it should be underneath the bottom plastic of the mirror cap. And then when everything is nice and secure, go ahead, take the mirror cap, line it back up. You can see kind of where this has to go underneath this. These top fins up here need a seat in the right here, and just snap it back together. A lot easier to put back on than it is to take off. And there it is, guys, fully installed. Pretty easy. Honestly, the hardest part is just kind of taking it apart and taking this top mirror cap off, but went back together fine. The blacked out look of it, like that tinted look, really matches the whole black and voodoo blue look that I'm going for on the Tacoma. So it looks freaking awesome. So guys, I'll leave the link to this and other variants as well down in the description for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and you're new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.